Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can use spacing options in your Divi WordPress website. So here you can see this is my demo website. Let's log in into my website. Here you can see after website wp-admin. So now let's go to dashboard, and after that let me edit this page. So just enable visual builder. As we know, Divi theme has its own page builder. Okay, and after that here you can see in the editing mode. Now let's go to section settings. After that let's add a background color, for example this one. Okay, now let's see how the spacing works. Just go to module setting and after that design, then here you can see spacing options. So now if we add margin from the top, here you can see text is moving towards down, and if we add minus 200, minus 100, so here you can see text is moving upward. And if we add this margin from the left side, here you can see text is moving towards left side. And if we add positive 100, then text will move towards right side. So padding also works in this way. For example, we can add 100 padding from the left. Here you can see, then it will also move from left to right. And spacing options are available on the row setting, column settings, as well as on the section setting. In the section setting, here you can see spacing. For example, you can add a padding 200, so it is added from the top as well as bottom. You can unlink, and after that now you can remove. Here you can see now padding from the bottom is removed. After that you can also see spacing on the various devices. So this is Divi responsive setting. Now here you can set the spacing for these devices. For example, let's add 0. Okay, now spacing is removed. And you can also add, here you can see now space is adding from the top side. In this way you can easily add spacing in your Divi WordPress website. Then click here and after that save it.